This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Invest your own money at your own risk. What is up, everyone? Simp Investor AG here. H-Bar Simp, Saucy Warrior. And I have an amazing treat for all of you today. And today we're going to do a deep dive on Headstarter. So I'm going to start with a very basic question that I asked them. You're welcome to come to their Discord. They'll answer any questions, any concerns you may have. This is a legit utility company. We're going to find out what they're all about. So I asked them a very simple question a couple days ago. And this was the question. I asked them, where is it? Come on, man. I had it up right here. Okay. I said, where exactly can I find a white paper for Headstarter? So they gave me the link. It's right here. So today we're going to do a lot of reading, just so you know. It's going to be boring because we want to know what Headstarter is all about. And it looks like an amazing project, honestly. It really does. So at the very top, you're going to see the tab that says light paper. That's their white paper. So, okay, let's read it. Headstarter is the project accelerator and thoroughbred native launchpad of the Hedera Hashgraph ecosystem. The Headstarter decentralized application is optimized for the underlying distributed ledger technology and leverages Hedera smart contract services in conjunction with Hedera token services with the purpose of a wide Hedera ecosystem enablement by facilitating community awareness, visibility, and the raise of capital in a fair and transparent manner. I think that's probably one of the biggest factors here. Raise capital in a fair and transparent manner. Wow. So highlight, Headstarter is curating the best early stage Hedera projects and connecting them with the community in a regulatory friendly decentralized funding. Hedera, well, we all know about Hedera. Hedera is a layer 1 decentralized network that has always stood for decentralization and building value for the long run. With recent steps in openness, compatibility, and incentivizing development through foundation grants, the network is soon to see its mainstream recognition. Headstarter is the missing piece that will bring trust, utility, and mainstream developer and retail adoption another step closer. Pioneering DeFi and crowdfunding on Hedera comes through a Headstarter dApp functionalities, infrastructure, and ecosystem accelerator program. This is amazing. Our product is a vital component that provides the ability to democratize traditional financing models in the Web3 tokenized world of today, but also make it widely accessible and tangible like never before. We have assembled an end-to-end decentralized platform with an integrated regulatory friendly token sale rounds, publicly audible functionalities, and educational support mediums. An exciting array of new features, gamification, and integrations are planned to be rolled out in the weeks and months to come. I like that gamification there. Our application targets the Hedera community as well as Web3 and crypto users at large, providing an unprecedented gateway to innovation exclusive to the Hedera space, an ecosystem that is bound to revolutionize DeFi, GameFi, and application-specific projects because of its unique set of protocol hallmarks. The product. This is the product. Headstarter is a decentralized application layer protocol designed to help existing and upcoming Hedera native projects with funding, visibility, and a solid user base. Literally, that's their product. You bring them a project, They study it out, they analyze it. If it's a legit project with great utility that will assist and probably provide and contribute to the Hedera ecosystem, they will provide funding, visibility, and solid user. Well, yeah, what we read. I think that it's very awesome. Good for them. The pillar on which the project is designed are innovation. So these are the pillars: innovation, transparency, regulatory savviness. Headstarter community members will be introduced to successfully vetted projects, connected with the respective teams and products, and finally are being offered the opportunity to participate in their pre-listing public IDOs. Initial something offering. I forgot the full meaning of IDOs, but the Headstarter DApp is leveraging HTS and HSCS. That's like smart contracts. Through secure, publicly audited smart contracts beyond the IDO platform, Headstarter is built on top of an in-house built open source Hedera Hashgraph development SDK called Vending.js. So this is a bunch of Chinese to me. So their service, their product is this right here. This is the product. So you bring a project. If you want it to, if you want to get set up on Hedera, and if you don't have the funding, and if you don't have the proper people that are accredited or the proper project managers, if you win their trust, well, then good for you. They will help you out getting set up. So now, outside its technical features, Headstarter is a network of experts and enthusiasts in incubation and accelerator, a support system that equips projects with the tools to grow smoothly. From ideation to mainnet and listings, heading to rigorous due diligence process in vetting the most disruptive and transformational projects to our community. The Headstarter Council is a collection of seasoned independent companies and individuals in their own sectors. Perfect. They provide extensive advice and make the ultimate decision upon greenlighting any project for an IDO launch. Wow. This is pretty amazing. I mean, wow. Okay, given the Hedera network design and its emerging DeFi ecosystem, Headstarter is uniquely positioned to ignite development and adoption on Gen 3 Hashgraph DLTs while integrating and offering further DeFi solutions, pushing the limits of Web3 crowdfunding and what a launchpad can offer. Some of Headstarter's public ambitions are single and double-sided staking rewards and yield farming, establishing a DAO and institute distributed decision-making and voting mechanism to further democratize the vetting and funding of future projects and initiatives, pools with tiered participation, metaverse integrations, super cool, NFT launchpads, and open IDOs. Here comes the problem. The Hedera ecosystem needs solid infrastructure to support the demand of further utility of HBAR cryptocurrency, retail-facing applications, DeFi, and the pieces that will enable gamification. I think that will be huge. And utility for HTS-based fungible and non-fungible tokens. HBAR token holders and techpreneurs, despite being fully aware of the superior characteristics of the Hashgraph protocol, have been using the DLTs where they can access DeFi instruments, communities, and applications because these components have been missing on Hedera. Crypto-savvy communities know launchpads are an indispensable infrastructural protocol that groom the growth of new projects. Community members will want there to get informed about the latest project's vision and technology, and are thus also getting accustomed to the underlying DLT infrastructure while interacting with dApps. There is no doubt that without a highly performing launchpad, Hedera would have missed the opportunity of speeding and streamlining its work adoption, TVL, and numbers of organic transactions. Solution: building a complete crowdfunding platform for the tokenized Web3 world of today in line with cross-industry best standards. Okay. Headstarter is building an application that embodies the following values. Let's see. Ensure an inclusive and secure model to run the project's public funding round of the HCS native utility tokens. Deliver the highest level of functionality and regulatory sturdiness during the allow listing and KYC process. Offer an intuitive and smooth UI and UX experience throughout all user touchpoints. Act as the issuer of a virtual seal of trust for upcoming Hedera projects through our vetting and verification process that secures the shortlisting of only the most valuable use cases. Provide support for projects through Headstarter advisors and partners as part of the distributed accelerated programming. Raise awareness and build communities around new Hedera projects by supporting marketing initiatives during pre-launch campaigns throughout the IDO process and after. In order to secure a constant stream of high-quality projects, we have designed an end-to-end in-house incubator accelerator structure that will onboard promising techpreneurs and their teams regardless of the development stage they are in. Right from the beginning, we support each cohort with marketing, investing, mentorship up through their IDO launch. Moreover, our full-fledged team continues to sustain the project's effort to scale faster beyond their successful IDOs. As such, the project's pipeline will be built based on the market demands in areas encompassing DeFi payments, AI, data, and privacy, DEX, DAOs, NFTs, GameFi, and MetaFi. Market. Okay, so I guess this will give you a better idea. The robust Hedera native launchpad, taking it one step further. Okay, well, let's see. The characteristics: fundraising, marketing, trading, liquidity, security. Dang. So this is everything that they will help out with. So the Headstarter is a startup designed to unlock a full potential of the Hashgraph technology to increase the overall efficiency and growth potential in connecting communities with new projects, as well as offering projects public self-funding opportunities, bundled with the ambitious roadmap of delivering an extensively comprehensive set of funding tools. It has a competitive edge over other crowdfunding solutions. The following table illustrates how Headstarter's IDO platforms compares with other types of public sales offerings. Okay, well, the initial coin offering, initial exchange offering, and the initial decentralized offering. So fundraising. Crowdfunding is generally done anonymously and under opaque circumstances. The IEO, crowdfunding, meditated as regulated through centralized crypto exchanges. And then Headstarter IDO, crowdfunding done transparently through smart contracts by swapping HBARs for new project tokens on Headstarter at the predetermined date and time. Wow. Community and marketing and community outreach. Project teams fully own and deliver all advertising, marketing, and marketing activities at their own expense. Project teams rely on the CEX to support the marketing and advertising. Now let's look at the Headstarter IDO. The team behind the projects and Headstarter collaborate on the marketing and advertising efforts, so they share the weight. It's pretty cool. Trading and liquidity. I think this is a pretty important part. In an ICO, the issuers are responsible for transferring the token coin into purchaser's wallet and ensure immediate liquidity is available. CEX ensures, well, this is an IEO, initial exchange offering. CEX ensures immediate liquidity is available on newly created markets for the newly launched token. And then the IDO in Headstarter. After the initial decentralized offering event, the token coin is traded on DEX via liquidity pools provided by project teams and token holders. Now, I like this one a lot, mainly because everyone else can join in on the fun, and you can get paid with amazing returns. So, yeah, I like those liquidity pools there on DEX. So, anyways, now let's skip to trust. Trust, okay, and then we're gonna continue. Trust. So then ICO perceived as extremely risky after numerous low quality ICOs. Okay, and in an IEO, CEX requires KYC AML verification for all the participants involved in a token sale on the platform. Headstarter. Headstarter carries rigorous due diligence on all projects, and only vetted ones are listed for IDO. Every single investor undergoes KYC through a third-party entity. So I really like already Headstarter's thorough investigation for say. You got a project. Now, their entire process, as you can read here, their vetting process is extremely, not advanced, but thorough. And I like it. Very, 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 very transparent. Very transparent. So now this kind of this is all like alien language to me. I do not understand, but all I know that this is the internet, the pool extensions, vesting pool, plausible pool, whitelist pool, Merkle pool, multi-party. Okay, I don't understand this, but I do understand this smart contract service, Hedera token service. Perfect. The roadmap. So you can go through the roadmap here. They come very long. They come long ways. The birth of Headstarter concept was in 2021. Okay, now the team. Here's the team. They legit look like Hollywood actors. Not gonna lie. Look at them. Look at all these handsome fellas. Okay, the token utility. Now this is a token utility. The Headstarter dApp is built around its native HST token that offers native incentives and gamification features in order to secure its intrinsic value. Now, you keep seeing the term gamification. If some of you that have not heard or realized, or they recently endorsed or contracted Citadel Wallet. Citadel Wallet came out with their Guardians of or their Knights. I forgot what GOTC stands for, but anyways, Guardians of Citadel. There you go. Now these Guardians will eventually be part of games. You'll be able to play as them. Super cool. So cool. That's why I had to snatch one or two. So I'm all set with those. Anyways, here are the token metrics. Pretty important. So the total supply is 2.5 billion. That is super low. Very, very low. The current price, let's look at the price. The current price is currently at, let me see, where you at Headstarter? And Headstarter is in the top 10, by the way, so it's a legit, company. So here, Headstarter, it's sitting at 1.5 cents, and it's been trading sideways, right under 2 cents, forever. I mean, forever. So I think that is very bullish. Look at the TVL, 233,000. That's a ton of trust. That's, we read through there. Let's scoot this up a bit. Right there. So we read through the entire rigorous vetting process, what they go through to accept or start a project or endorse a project. Okay, so you can only imagine the process. The vetting process is so extensive that people feel safe. I see now. Now you guys see why Headstarter is probably my number 4. Sorry, my number 3. Because my top is Hedera, second is Sauce, and my third is Headstarter. My fourth is it's tied between Galaxy and H Suite. But look how much trust people put in Headstarter. And it's very understandable why. Very, very, very understandable. But yeah, the token metrics, 2.5 billion. And and you can see how everything is split up. 22.3% staking and reward subsidies to pay people that stake. Token distribution, team and advisors keep 14%. Liquidity fund, they keep 10% just in case they need to provide liquidity for a new project, I'm assuming, or treasury, probably emergency funds and reserves. That's awesome. So yeah, now just so you know, they are pretty famous. You may think, they're flowing under the radar, but they kind of are not so far. Now, a scrutinized selection, assuring only the most transformative and valuable and meaningful projects get admitted into the Hedera program. They will not waste people's time and energy and attention for projects that aren't worth it. Accelerated support. Vetted teams can be assisted by our team of experts in area of development, strategy, and knowledge in industry best practices. KYC compliant. All investors pass strict verifications assuring their eligibility to participate in upcoming public sales. The missing link. Headstarter leverages the crowdfunding, community, and marketing, the inflection point towards exponential growth of the Headstarter Hashgraph ecosystem. Wow. So they are a key piece of now some I want to show you guys is, let's go to CoinMarketCap. I like to go to CoinMarketCap because they normally give you the introduction or explanation of a coin in a very simple manner. Headstarter, there it is. So you can go here and read what they are. So, and you just need to read the first paragraph or two. So listen to this. The Headstarter dApp is a key infrastructural towards Headstarter's path for mainstream adoption. That's all you can read. That's all you need to understand. This is what I would call a condensed, summarized um, mission of theirs. So, with a community-focused approach in helping grow ecosystem projects inside our acceleration program, we fully engage with projects from from ideation to listing. Oops, the heck, my bad. Our advisors and partners will help startups with expertise in strategy, tokenomics, gamification, legal, best in market practices, more and more. So this is so darn cool. This is their teams, their team members, lots. There's a lot of them. They're ready for everything, I swear. So there's also some. They've been featured in many articles. So let's read this one real quick. Headstarter Launchpad will accelerate development of applications built on the Hedera network. This was in April 2022. So okay, you can go ahead and take a look at this article. But they've been recognized in many places, many places. So you got a project, deploy a project, you can reach out to them. You gotta fill in the application. So basically anyone can apply. Application type, put your email, contact, project name, brief description, website, Twitter, bam. And then I'm assuming they will reach out to you. Excuse me. So whenever you're wondering, okay, but how legit is this is pretty cool. This is how legit they're. Okay, you see this? This is all the endorsers, and see there's staters on here. Galaxy, Citadel Wallet, Pangolin, Hashpack, and the best of all, the HBAR Foundation. And built, yeah, they're very, very. This is probably one of the most secure projects you can do. This is why this is my number 3. So if I weren't, let's say my obvious one is Hedera now, and I were to discount that one out, Sauce will be my first, and Headstarter would be my second. It's just more. I would consider this the safest play of all. Like if I'm scared of buying any other micros and I just want to play it safe, bam, that's what Headstarter be for me. So what do you guys think about Headstarter? From a scale of 1 to 10, what would you guys rank it? How secured? How much money would you be willing to invest in this? Would you buy it just 100, 200, 1,000, 10,000 tokens? And this would be one of those set it and forget it type. I asked him one important question though in their right here in their Discord. So after reading and researching, I asked him. I love the project, so I asked him this question. I said, where is it? Okay, here it is. Okay, I said, I have so many questions about Headstarter. One of them being, what's the greatest project that Headstarter has assisted with their launch? Hedera Evangelist entered with this. Thanks for taking out time to explore and spread awareness about Headstarter in this info for you, brother. So he gave me a couple links. You are all welcome to come to the Discord. They're very cordial. They're very, very down to earth, and they will take the time. Look how much time they took to answer my questions, and they take their time to answer everyone's questions thoroughly. They don't want people to know to have any concerns. So I think that is super cool. So someone else, and then I asked a question. I said, "These are all amazing projects. Why hasn't Headstarter gotten more attention?" I saw the Yahoo article and the others. And then Hedera Evangelist said, "Sorry, my message is getting blocked. Don't know which word in wrong in here. Anyways, but here's a screenshot of it." So he sent me the screenshot. I think it's because they are still not done with all the major BUIDL and collaborations yet. Because the much anticipated first few IDOs launches, many are in pipeline, and making HST self-sustainable via string DeFi products and other initiatives like single-sided staking coming soon too. It might take some time for Hedera to explode, but it is a ticking time bomb. Like I said, I see this as the Dow Jones of the micros. The Dow Jones might move like a snail, but like they said here, when they're done with the projects that they're supposed to push through and the collaborations, Headstarter will explode. It's gotten recognition from many other people know about it now. I'm a huge Headstarter bull, and it's sitting up there in my top 10 picks. Let me know, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about Headstarter. Would you make this in your top 10s or nah? You guys have a great day. This is Safe Investor AG, HBAR Simp, Saucy Warrior. Stay saucy, everyone.